Question number 11, Doc, same po ba yung approach ng revision surgery? For those of you who don't know what revision surgery is, it is a surgery to fix something that has gone wrong inside the joint after the first hip replacement. So, ang tanong is, same po ba yung approach ng primary and revision surgeries? So, the answer is not necessarily kasi yung goal natin ay maayos yung problem, whatever it may be. So, your doctor might choose a different approach kasi ang best is safe yung problema at maaayos yung issue, not necessarily to do the same approach. And surgeons will possibly have different approaches for revision and primary surgeries po. So, in this case, always ask your doctor para po na masagot yung tanong niyo po.